The country of Ukraine is located in the Eastern Europe. After Russia, it is the second largest country in the Europe. A total area of 600,000 square kilometers is covered by Ukraine. With around 41 million people, it was the 8th most populous country in Europe before the ongoing war. Ukraine capital and the largest city is Kyiv. The official language of Ukraine is Ukrainian, although some regions of the country also speak Russian. The language of Ukraine is one of the most interesting facts about it. Only behind Italian, Ukrainian was listed as the second most melodious language in 1934. In the same year, it was also ranked as the third most beautiful language in the world, just behind Persian and French. Ukraine has a semi-presidential system of government. The country ranked 77th on the Human Development Index, so it is considered a developing country. The public transportation is well developed in Ukraine. Every major city and regional hub is connected to the railway network, and they all receive trains from other cities regularly. Additionally, many cities offer affordable and efficient bus and tram services. At the depth of 105.5 meters below the surface, Arsenalna is the deepest metro station in the world, which is located in the capital of Ukraine. It can be quite frightful to look down from the top of the steep escalator. However, it was built during the Cold War in order to protect the citizens from the threat of nuclear bombs. In addition to other things, Ukraine is well known for its architecture. The golden domes are representations of Ukrainian architecture. The nickname is one of the most well-known facts about the Ukraine. The country frequently is considered the breadbasket of Europe because of its excellent wheat growing condition and large grain production. The Ukraine borders Belarus in the north, Poland, Slovakia and Hungary in the west, and Romania in the southwest. Additionally, it has a coastline along the Black Sea in the southwest. And the precipitation is not evenly distributed. It is the highest in the west and north and the lowest in the east and south. Summers are not that hot, however, winter can be very cold, attracting lots of snow and creating a beautiful wintry wonderland.